Have you ever heard of metabolic alkalosis? It's a condition where your blood phase level becomes too high, making it more alkaline. This condition occurs primarily due to an increase in bicarbonate in the body. Common causes include excessive vomiting or loss of hydrogen ions. Symptoms can range from irritability and muscle twitching to fatigue and confusion. In severe cases, it can lead to serious complications like seizures or coma. The body has ways to compensate for metabolic alkalosis. For example, hypoventilation can occur, which means shallow and slow breathing to retain carbon dioxide. Additionally, the kidneys play a role by excreting bicarbonate to help restore balance. Understanding these processes is crucial for recognizing and managing this condition.